In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a personal net worth tracker in Excel, a wealth tool that'll serve you well into 2025 and beyond. We'll walk through building a comprehensive tool to keep track of your financial health, and when we're done, you'll have a clear picture of your assets, liabilities, and overall net worth. So let's get started. The first step in setting up our tracker is to create an assets sheet. Here, we'll organize all the things you own that contribute to your net worth. Start by creating columns with the following headings: asset type, description, current value, last updated, and notes. The asset type column will categorize your assets such as cash, investments, or real estate. Under description, you'll provide specifics about each asset, like bank savings or house. The current value column is where you'll manually enter the market value of each asset. To keep this information timely, use the Today function to automatically populate the last updated column with today's date. Lastly, the Notes section is for any additional comments or details you might want to note about each asset. At the bottom of the current value column, add a formula to total all the values presented. If your values are between cells C2 and C100, for example, you would enter assume C2 C100 to provide a total assets value. Next, we'll move on to the liabilities sheet, which outlines your debts. Set up columns for liability type, description, outstanding balance, interest rate, last updated, and notes. Liability type will categorize your debts, such as credit card, loan, or mortgage. The description column is where you add details or account names. Enter how much you owe in the outstanding balance column. You may enter this manually or link it to other data. The interest rate column is where you input the annual interest percentage for each liability. Use the Today function to keep the last updated column current. Like the assets sheet, make use of the Notes section for any supplemental information. Again, at the bottom of the outstanding balance column, total these values. Assuming they reside in cells C2 through C100, you would use ESUM C2 C100. With this information in place, head over to the dashboard sheet where we'll summarize the key metrics of your financial health. Here, you'll pull the total assets figure from the assets sheet and the total liabilities number from the liabilities sheet. To calculate your net worth, subtract the total liabilities from your total assets. Additionally, the debt-to-asset ratio is found by dividing total liabilities by total assets. Lastly, track your financial growth by calculating month-over-month growth, which is the difference between this month's net worth and the previous month's, divided by the previous month's net worth. Finally, create a net worth history sheet to monitor how your financial situation evolves. Include columns for month, total assets, total liabilities, net worth, change versus last month, and percent change. Populate the month column with today's date formatted to show the month and year. Use corresponding values from the dashboard sheet for total assets and total liabilities. Calculate net worth by subtracting total liabilities from total assets. The change versus last month column will provide the difference in net worth from the previous month, while percent change will show the change as a percentage, offering a clear view of your financial growth. If last month's net worth was 0, this cell should read 0 to avoid errors. And there you have it. A comprehensive tool to manage and analyze your personal financial health. This tracker will help you maintain control over your wealth and guide you towards achieving your financial goals. Happy tracking!